Yeah, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The police in Waterloo, led by the LUC CSP Mr. Ibrahim Sama, today, Saturday, August the 5th, 2023, received distress calls that helicopter land emergency one village they call Shewure along the Fobo road. So the LUC began for lead a team as soon as they see so many police officers them na the field then come. They don't already rescue the crew members them. This na the helicopter as soon as they see. And the helicopter this way make the emergency landing na the field. The place now something like 15 miles away from central Waterloo. According to the crew members them, they say they get a mechanical failure due to the rotor or so. So the crew members in the list, the one a British citizen, the other one in the under where they move go so in a South African citizen. So where the police don't respond, we they try now for take them things them so that we go able for help them for letting things they will be safe. We will take them things them. They will provide security for the helicopter until the team wait for come. Until the team wait for come help for fix the helicopter. Come you see the LUC now Waterloo CSP Ibrahim. They talk already one engineer don't come. We himself. They then at the scene. They see lots of people like a big area. They see the water yonder. See, complete forest, no houses around, no houses. Just come make this emergency landing. Where everything is safe. We the police are there soon. Everybody's fine. One for the crew in the yard, so police officers are all over the place. For now, this is not the updates. Thank you so much. Mina ASP Aliu Jalo from Waterloo.